Hello folks. The library is a central repository where you maintain your multimedia files. When you insert a library item into your documentation, you are actually inserting a pointer to that item in your library. As a result, when you update an item in the library, your update is automatically reflected throughout your entire project. To update an item, you have the choice of 3 simple methods to perform this task. Select the item in your library panel for which you wish to update, and then click Item Properties in the Library group of the Home ribbon tab. This opens the window that displays the properties you defined for that item. Make the changes as necessary to the library item, and then click OK to save your changes. An alternative method of updating a library item is to right-click the item in your library panel that you'd like to update. This displays a pop-up menu. Now, click the Item Properties option. This will now open a window that displays the properties that you had defined for that item. Again, make the necessary changes to that library item, and then click OK to save your change. And lastly, double-click the item in your library panel that you'd like to update. This again opens the window that displays the properties you had defined for that item. Make your changes, and then click OK to save the changes made. Note that you may not update system variables. Therefore, if you try to update a system variable in the library panel, the properties window for the system variable will not open. However, if you create a variable, you may update it using any of the 3 methods shown earlier in this video. When you confirm the update, your change is saved to the library item. Your update is also automatically reflected in each occurrence of that item throughout your entire project. It is not necessary to make any manual changes. HelpNDoc is free for personal use and evaluation purposes. You can download it at HelpNDoc.com and see other video guides at HelpNDoc.com/online-help. Thanks for watching.